Up here on the second floor is the perfect location for a master bedroom. Perfect light coming in. It's above the great room down below. Made great because there's no partitions. It's a wide open space. The obvious place for the master bathroom is right here. Big, beautiful tub sitting here, light coming in. 2 vanities right here, a shower stall right here, and a toilet tucked here away. You know, perfect location, easy to draw on the plans, but not so easy on this particular building to get the pipes to run where they have to. Joel, Schaperjahn is our plumbing and our heating contractor. I hope we start the heating pretty soon. How are you?
Yeah, right. It's cold this morning here.
It was -4.
Yeah.
I don't know how you guys do it here. It's unbelievable. All right, so take us through the challenges. You know, we know we've got plumbing fixtures upstairs, but what do you got to do to get them run into this building?
Yeah, you know, this building's a real challenge. Up in the ceiling, we've got a lot of steel beams that we have to deal with.
Yeah.
So, you know, one of the challenges that we normally find is, you know, getting our toilet drop down to the basement. In this case, it was really easy to run this toilet drop from the second floor. We ran it down through this floor joist cavity, and then we drop down through this wall bay.
So normally you do a branch Y and go over and pick up the shower stall right here, but you got all this steel in the way. There's no way to get through that.
Yeah, this has been a challenging project, and so what we found out though is that there's going to be a coffer ceiling here in this kitchen area.
Okay.
And what that
box
is,
beams.
yeah, a box beam. So we can use this to actually hide our pipes in. So this is going to go up here where the coffer ceiling's going to be.
Come all the way along.
Yeah, it's going to.
And look what it does for you. Look what it does for you.
Yeah, so we get an opportunity to hide some pipes in there.
So the shower stall comes down here, goes into there. Here's the tub drain going right into here. All right, so now you're into this horizontal. Then how do you get to the basement?
Well, actually, we have a great opportunity here where that coffer comes, and we just have a vertical box.
Oh, they have
here.
a vertical one too.
Yeah.
Like it was made for you.
Right.
Perfect.
But we're not done yet. We have another vanity that we've got to get dropped to the basement. And if you look back here, we've got a piece of steel that we can't go that way.
Yeah.
So we've decided that we're going to drill a few floor joists over to actually another coffer.
So you have another coffer going this way.
Yep.
All right. See, that's great. You come through here, boom, boom, and you're still below that. And another one in the beam here to the basement again.
Yep, we're going to drop right there.
Well,
yeah.
I don't know who gets credit, whether it's the designer or the architect for putting in these coffered ceilings, but it really saved our bacon here.
Sure did.
It sure did. All right, let's keep working. We'll stay warm.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.